Okay, let's try this again. Tape 7. Okay, again, I did the Zippo. I got the insert. The only bad thing is it's not made in America. It's made in China. And there's a little bit difficulties. Now, it does work. And I always tell people, because they don't sell in California, I had to get the universal butane refillable charger tank for this one. Okay, we have problems. Okay, adapter, you have to, for safety reason, fill it this way. There might be some spillage, so be sure to wear a glove. It's very cold. Second problem is this doesn't have holes like the old Zippo. So it's really hard to remove out of its casing if it's a tight fit. And this is a tight fit. See right there? Broke a fingernail. Okay, it took all the strength and pullage and pliers and the glove to remove it. Thank you, Zippo. Now, it does work and I do enjoy it. Let's see if I get it up frame. You can see that. Had them dark in the background, but it does work. The only bad thing, it's like a little engine. You have to be careful with it. I'll stick with my old-fashioned one. Okay, I forgot to fuel it. Okay. So I got 2 Zippos, and I got up to 21st century. That's kind of interesting. Nice, it does work. It's twin flame. It's made in China, so you shouldn't have any problems with it. Now with this one, also this is a tight fit, but American made. It has little holes in it. I'll show you a trick. You can pull it out like that. No broken fingernails. Oops. Okay. Set that up. Again, this is a tight fit. And if I use in the tropics where it's moisture and heat, I will put a Ranger band on it. So let's see if it works. Shake it up. Yeah, it does work. Okay. The only difference between the two, this is a lot easier, the old school one, and the butane one is more efficient. Okay, 21st century. But I like old school. Now, Gil at Camp Patton's Family Compo was talking about long butane lighters. Well, I have a solution to that. I have long punks or wax-filled straws, beeswax. It was used when they didn't have butane lighters or Zippos or whatever. They only had flint and steel, and they had to light all those candles in the churches. Real fun. Okay? So a lot of people, you have to study old school to understand what's going on. You adapt to the new one, like CR, adapt what you can. I have to warn CR, you have to be really careful, because you could have the skills, but you might not have the ability to survive in certain areas. I keep telling people that, and they look at me, I don't understand. Well, I don't live in Ohio. I don't live east of the 100th meridian. I live in hell. That's west of the 100th meridian. And a lot of people don't understand that until it smacks them in the face like, wow. Okay, folks? I'll catch you later. I'll be seeing you. You have a nice day. And do something good for your neighborhood. Bye now.